Let us perform an activity to demonstrate the law of conservation of momentum. Materials required are big rubber balloon, thread, adhesive tape, and a straw. Take a big rubber balloon and inflate it fully. Tie a knot around its neck using a thread. Take a straw and fix it on the surface of the balloon with the help of an adhesive tape. Do not tape the straw tightly, as the straw should not be straight. Pass a thread through the straw. Tie the ends of the thread to a pole or ask two of your friends to hold the ends of the thread such that the thread makes a straight horizontal track. Now remove the thread tied on the neck of the balloon. Let the air escape from the mouth of the balloon. What do you observe? It is observed that while the air escapes from the mouth of the balloon, the straw and balloon move in the direction opposite to the escaping air. Why does it happen? The understanding of this activity lies in the concept of the law of conservation of momentum and Newton's third law of motion. The air coming out of the balloon is having a small mass, but a large velocity in one direction. So, to conserve the momentum, the combination of the straw and balloon, which is heavier than air, moves in the opposite direction with a lesser velocity. This shows that the momentum of the system is conserved. The system also obeys Newton's third law of motion. As the air escaping from the balloon becomes the action because of which a reaction is caused in the combination of straw and balloon, and it moves in the opposite direction.